see attention. Nobody's saying you. What did they never see before? They come to life with you. After they see and finish, everybody carry bag. Nothing important there. The only thing I come that they did for you, carry your video, use and make money. You use and make money, put for inside pocket, put your copyright, it break down your page. I be you don't know say copyright they back page. They play. The use copyright can finish you. Now inside everyone you go to cry, give person. To say I beg I don't want anybody. The video you did yesterday, you should come and see pretend. So I bell more. For using my name to get you this afternoon, I make me they do you this one. So.
Hey.
Wow.
Facebook don't catch fire again. Please don't come out.
Not because no insult you. I never talk to you one day.
Grace is
and even back when me go insult, I don't even insult, I not to talk of you. The next thing you just come out and start using my name to sing for no reason. Why are you calling you? Now me, now my body, now so they get power. You they fear bully, they go see bully you. As long as you don't do all this, why you follow Rita. I go drag your leg, reach the day where shame and disgrace go enter your body with evidence. Now me be una nightmare for here. If I drag you, get where I will drag you. You see all those things. When you enter your Facebook because of content and baby, all of them will run come
don't come back again.
You'll be seeing them. Saga warriors, they'll come sit down on your page. We go buy that page again for the second time. God punish you.
These people. Rita, you never know those people. It's saga come. God, they use their own saga. If you say you want to use those people, take support. They will come and they go change on.
So where did that mention your name? Can you come and post it? Come and post where they mention your name. No, come and post it. If to say I define your friendship, I go mention your name. I don't mention your name because I don't need you for body.
Afternoon, my darling love. How you doing?
I don't mention your name because I don't need you for body. You will betray your own friend for my right in my very presence. My own face. Just for a social media saga person. You betray friendship of how many years we don't stand with you.
Don't forget that one. Oh.
Now because of that one, me will be Rita, I want to be a friend of a chronic.
You see that friend, Rita. Just forget that one. If that one still come, I go see change. Wait till Rita not understand this social media. I don't know whether Rita not understand this social media. Once the time when you talk say you want to mention their name, put for live video, they will come reject them. That is what is all now. That they always they happen when it comes to Rita saga. Now they say Grace don't come out. I dey see for comment section say Grace when you go arrest your papa, Grace when you go arrest your mama. Now you they use sister they mention her name. Now you they use sister they mention her name. This people when you they do so, they go still call Grace. Now you don't know Grace. Me I know Grace where. I know Grace where. If you want just saga, just the saga. Not that say because that one come out. You want to use system, come they like I don't know how they do this something. At the end of the day, they go come out. They won't be like say they will come use this something, they'll come use and take rob you. You know, Rita, you never know those people. You they learn. You they learn for where these people they. To be honest, now where they make if I they beat them, they beat them. I know they get messy. I go they add Jonah. If na 60% I take beat them today, tomorrow I go add 10% Jonah. If you say these people, when people take fight, you want carry them. When they use that they fight, they go lose them for you. They go just lose them for you. Now in this social media, be make good the listing. Now Grace again now.
Now that one I'm coming here.
Now Grace now.
Insult you.
Okay.
Never insult you. Never don't do any word of insult. Apart from now that I am doing it as you are provoked.
If you want to write name, don't put that name when they put. You all put only their name. That name when they put. I know they like her.
Bunch of liars. Say go better now na fear. Now they can see you finish. You see you finish when they don't like video. All of you are all chronic stupid people wey no get sense.
Never know.
Now the fear at the end of the day, we go see happen to una. Not be saying no go happen.
If you want to write somebody's name, please, you write her name. That name when that they put, I know they like her. You get name. That one at the add John now. I know they like him because that one they bring problem.
Mona see this the way they play.
Yeah, no insult here. We know they insult.
Just say make it just like.
No, I they delete your video. FA. You know her name. Please write her name. You hear? I don't need that name. Yeah. And they analyze the name when they adjust their name. No add on John name for here. You know their name. Make una no add on John name. Here is polite this thing platform. With they analyze. If you get anything when you want to, you can talk and that day when they add John their name, I don't like her and I don't want to mention that name for here. Because now man no say get that name, no be woman. Let's continue.
Check.
You can write anything.
You see shame and disgrace where you walk down so. Million 9 days, they can never see her for that one. You know how many people where come and they don't fight me. You not be number 1, you not be 2, you not be 3, you not be 4, you not be 5.
Who they call our children name?
You not be 8, you not be 9, you not be 10, you not be 12.
Who they call our children name?
So the numbers keep going.
Don't be social media. They ask me what the people play.
I don't go grow your page.
Now grace. So
at the end of the day, not be raw topic when you carry comment, raw discussion. Not be equal to grow your page. You just say me go grow. I not go grow. I go only drag the normal people where they come out. Carry saga people put inside. That's the reality you need to know. The normal people where they that page, all of them go. If me and you don't draw the line just now, they will enter house. Then now only the idiotic people. When you use fake account also follow on this place now, then go there. Every time they call you me, you confide me, you confide. Confide now. See as you they betray up by car where you say now your mama, now your husband, mama. See the bunch of betrayers, cognitive deformed elements. Very imbalanced.
British Okbeka, Grace, all of them.
They beat your
now the same race. Now that they race. If you want just the saga, they just the saga them.
Roadside blogger, people will not get work, will not call it, they don't see anything. Now you they fear.
Afternoon, how you there? Easy.
And they use them go professional school. I want to collect my degree for school, so they don't do anything. Now you, when you call yourself a spiritual pastor, now you they fear. Come on, I carry my bucket. They do spiritual work, we not they okay. Hunger spiritual food, what they do.
But now share this video, make it go meet viral.
I have all of them. What are you going to use them to do? No level. Just call that video, come the talk rubbish. Carry himself, put for Martin, one can fight for a cobete. The one when you fight for our market. He said for your friend, you betray your friend instantly. You jump enter the matter, you say you want to go fight for your friend. As your friend, they drag you, they go like you run enter house. You not fight and finish. This one, another one where you want enter.
They're not they fight for you. We they gist for you.
You go they do another topic.
What did they happen?
You go just carry you put for my phone. Me, I take the waka. I go to use you.
No.
Then you go to do another one.
They're not they fight for you. I bet make you not they like that this thing. Anything I will just they block you now. Now know me.
Me una the shop am because you know say na bad person you be. You know, say you gossip with your mama, your mama or husband where you come here. You know, so you talk about copyright matter. I be not talking. This is the way they talk and they live video. You say all the video of Momo. You say you copyright everything. Wait for your life to be you.
I don't they fight for here.
It direct by on our head. That's the way you go come out from live video. My darling sister, I shine the way we have been. Now you be your copyright hold me and beg. Or you call out for his ass. After saying it, his ass don't come out again. That is how to see reference. Don't come out and say it whether direct or indirect. You give our enemy food. Useless element people.
These people they settle back. These are underground warrior.
If me want why no say now so man. So if I dey beat you, I know they look back. I know they do the think whether my kid will go.
I don't know. People when in the live video presenter they fight, commenters on they fight. I like this afternoon.
If to say carry your copyright, you carry from column for inside us.
Well, no, they insult for you. I'll go.
Jealousy feed women.
I'll go.
If
who be this person? FA Festus. We know they insult for you. Just put joke. I want to delete insult saga come on for you.
So that you will hear
insult. I want carry on come on for you.
Do genuine friendship. After una don't do what you want to do, now call it fake account, they listen, they beat you, they pretend to be outside. Now you go come, I go bring you come.
But I know they sort for you. I just got
you for grand. What do you want to do me? Who bear? I come back away, you know, madam. You better than Bama, who are no zoo, no man, you are. I don't know if I'm zoo. I mean, we don't mind we are going where you are. You not fear. You just run come out for inside your ass when they say, hey, Rita, I want to, for no reason. If there's a reason, I'm saying, what? There's a reason for you. No reason at all. Just to cover your guilty.
No. I beg. I'll delete you. They're not the use of good swear for you. I use God beg you. Love. May you not the reply now.
Don't carry this video.
Okay, she started it first. Okay.
I want people to
wait.
Do it. Me, I repeat it. I don't measure your name. So why you want to listen?
You don't do now.
It's your
I'll
name.
go.
I be you want to go tell police or you want to tell mobile or soldier.
Love.
Say, this person where they talk.
Love, you know say this is not the apple for you. Now I know why 12. Now they delete 12 now this thing. And they delete 2 now. Una instead of una to dey put wetin go dey make person dey laugh, una come dey fight for here. I don dey delete una
comments. Did I mention your name? You say she call your mama. Post the video where I for mention your name. I can't say you call my mama. The video where I mention your name. As my name they come out for your hand. Post time. As your name they come out for my mouth. I can't say Grace. Post the video. Post the video. Now I mean you in Nigeria where they do evil like you. Post time. Guilty conscience, babe.
You never,
post the video.
We're about this social media.
They say when me I never
but the time when you say you want John Wa, that one will come and come below you.
When I go ready for when people dey ground, when you also they ready for any blow and now I come to like this, they fear una. When una don't prepare me, carry put for.
Instead of us to they enjoy this saga, una they fight. Make everybody, make all of us spoil her. Me I see they spoil something.
Anybody that sold your friend, the enemy not the buy.
Okay.
If you sold your friend,
if I allow this insult now, see,
you are too local for me to be a friend to. I don't buy betrayers. I don't have anything to do with people who betray their friends.
If I say may start now, I know say a lot of comments go full here. It don't do. But if you want more start, we'll start or we'll scatter everywhere. Una know say me say I don't know man. As soon as say una don't know man. May yourself una me was pass.
Woman does not have integrity, no quality, no sense of humor, no reasoning capacity. What will I use you to?
Grace not be Grace not be do saga. All I think Grace go do. Grace go come.
Have you ever seen me start
spoiler
with people that I call my own?
Grace.
Your friend say you get problem with the enemy. The next thing and then they go see you back. You don't run, go chat. Go betray your friend for kobo. Betray and put kobo for you. At the end of the day,
that friend when you they talk now.
See how you are not living like a cockroach inside the prison.
That friend when you they talk now. If now me be you, if you want just saga, you just saga. That friend when you they talk now, that one will just still come out now. You go just still below you. These people, they're not they defend them for anywhere. When it comes to Grace, you see those group, and no, they will use the matter to tire you. And we are walking. Just they fight, they go like a bull.
Say you don't have anything to argue.
You don't know them.
I will not carry you.
Jessica Love, you don't know them.
Illiterate women and bunch of their illiterate group on a do life. You want me make big you the craze. The beating when I said beating before, what you see feed before inside.
You not see the time when Grace come back. Oh. We are done it. Oh. Something.
I've already apologized to your mother.
So, Mama, see what she
okay, police go enter this matter again.
The guy I want you to apologize. I apologize to your mother. Did I say you should come and apologize to me?
Okay, wait, you get what I want to talk.
Just to come and fool herself. I want you. The guy.
Una remember the time when Grace called me down, say, lovely. He say, Mama. Now, Mama, come they call me Mama. I beg forgive. I tell her, say, I beg, carry your wala go. Not this way I did. Me, I know, say, I know the way when those people take they arrange. When you reach where Monica do, reach where British Okpaka do, all of them, they get the way when they take they fight, oh. That guy the way when they take they fight. You when you want come fight, you when you want come start enter there, come they fight. Then they self don't trust you. Where you want to say they throw away cane. You see those cane when you say they throw away, they don't hide them, they go keep and you the day when they want come flog you, they will flog you will burst. You know say when they carry that something come my side. I tell Grace say I bet carry a while ago. You see, if you just see enter my mind, say I want saga Grace, I go saga. I know God say because say Grace come mention my name, or Grace come maybe that they saga me. Grace come say and now send me make I go bring lovely Papa has come. I can't use share the stuff say see now send Grace now send Grace. If Grace just talk, I go just pack stone. I go use and take stone Grace. If the rest people see that they stole Grace, they go wrong. They will say, lovely, no want. You know why Grace come out now? The video where Rita do, if you go Jamon Jasper, you know say a lot of people that always like to, they focus on live video, they watch video. If you go Jamon Jasper page, now there you go know the beginning of this fight now, when Rita they fight. To be honest, you see all these people where Rita they mention, Rita supposed to they beat them. The time when they go meet Rita, Papa with Rita mama. I tell Rita say, you see these people, I do video. I thought say, fight them mercilessly. The way Rita talk, Rita tell say he can't do video. But I know say na me she they talk, she don't mention my name. She say I define who I want to fight my enemy. That is what Rita said. Rita said you define who you want to fight your enemy. Now the way when I tell do my own, now be they tell and say Grace not be person when they use one hand take they push. If Rita like now, may Rita they shout, may Rita they flog Grace. He not go enter body because you don't already there. Dance God Grace too. These people don't already see and say you they dance come their tune. Their toes are be there waiting. I don't know whether not tune, I don't know the English. Did you see it? These people, if you tell them say, ha, they go not say, do not they change mind. But if you be person when they change mind, they do this one, they do this one, they go come after you. All of them, they be the same. They tell you say that they quarrel. Tomorrow they will go settle themselves for the ground. Me, I know they follow the go of the ground though. Like now Facebook, and they do my own. Facebook, I follow the do of the ground settlement fight. If you follow, how can you trust people? Me, I don't know. I don't feel trust. Neither they say lovely, not they stay one place. Who? Nah, the fight when it don't pass years back now, Rita carry come back now because Rita no treat that saga. That time when the saga take happen, Rita no put stop. I can't say now play Rita. Now social media you day. You see this social media. But see when, like for example now, me with somebody go the quarrel now. If you want to come meet me, I go shoot to the person. Now be this social media. Because not trust again. Like me now, like me now, for example now, everybody knows me will be sucked back at the quarrel for this social media. If you want to call now, you want to use me the one saga British Okbaka, I go shoot British Okbaka. You see that gun, load down. If you load down, not be only one person you load down for all of them. The way we go be now, Rita don't understand this social media. People wait there, commenters wait there, callers. Where we shall wait, they watch us, they understand the social media pass Rita. Somebody who don't fight you before, he don't fight you, he don't fight you. If I with another person, they fight. If you want to analyze and they laugh. Rita will just use and take raw body. And if they want to come, they will come below you. If they come, see fight now, when you with Grace, they fight. Since all this why now at the same for comment section say, somebody will arrest your papa, arrest your mama. Now you they use system, they want go meet now. Now you want use system, want go meet now. No. All of them now, they don't gather together. This British Okbaka with Monica when they fight now, tomorrow now another thing they go they do. He get person when he write put for comment. He say, not be comment. A party do video. Be like say now this afternoon. I go outside, come see the video. A party they tell that woman when be Monica ex friend before say, I sure say you know they go where British Okpaka dey o. Me I know say Monica ex friend. No matter how this saga go sweet reach, he know they go where British Okpaka dey. He go give British Okpaka. You go see the saga Monica Jonah. You know got to say British Okpaka video when she they do too sweet. Make it twitch. But if you reach where Rita dey, Rita will want make it twitch. That is not intelligence. Me, and the people that say they don't know this lovely self in matter get as it be. You not see how it's all this way now. It's like you they talk about grace. It's like you want to they talk for favor of grace. Nah, grace now. You don't lose her. Now the video of grace now you see now, you come out. Did you see how these people are playing with your brain? I am not listening. Man, at the talker, if you hit me, I can never give you second chance when you take hit me. No bad. Now me they say forgiveness now sin. Sin or not? Okay.
Not go with me for no reason. Il a pas fier que les jouer. Wow.
Grace, that you say be woman of God.
You did that now.
Okay.
Come back on the fact now. You use fake account to enjoy for you. The other one you go there go enjoy. Fake people see them. I don't know now. Mona enter house see pretenders.
Talk about it. But I did not tell anybody that your mother also tell me my daughter no face. It don't finish. We could not fight all of them are my children. My mother is an evangelist.
Grace said all of them are my
If
children.
what you come you need that. If person need that for person in front. You need that for in front. They tell her I don't know see what they don't use me do. All those people see what they use me do. You don't concern me, concern your pikin. My mama don't ask you. Say video.
Who share somebody children's
Because
video?
you know this, so you say you know this.
I don't want it comment
Mama
again.
don't see what I do to you for your hand. You say no. I do spiritual work for your hand. You say no. What you want to concern me, concern you. What me and you the ground.
Yes, Grace like saga.
Wetin
Now
you
let
dey
go.
drag? You say
No,
that
so
they
you
put
know
inside.
waiting.
You say that your friend come call you say I dey insult your children.
You know waiting, eh? Anytime Grace must come and control way saga. He must come and control William. And when he want control with the saga, he go use and take below you. He go just below you. You see this fight where he comes so, eh? Rita supposed for the beginning, Rita go stood the stand. He go give this one, give this one, give this. If he said there be 20 of them, she go give the round. She can't they select the one when she they give. They select the one when she not they give. And the one when you they feel say you not go give. Now even better pass the one when you think say you go give. Not be this social media. My sister, you dey learn oh. I don't dare this social media. Me. If they follow me for this social media, I will come and will follow them. They want sometimes they will say me they follow me enter coolness. Me I go come, I go follow them enter inside charcoal when they hot. Then see Anna, Nana, you think if Okpaka with Monica they fight now, say it concern Grace. It not concern Grace. Not be this social media. Grace go record my father. Carry come. They say Grace enter this social media. Beg for apology. I tell her say your apology is not accepted. If I don't accept the apology, I know the way when I did do Grace. Now my mommy tell me say, barrister, I say man, he say I beg, just let make this woman go. You don't try. You don't do this woman. I don't understand. Sometimes I will come and just say, make I give her. You know, I can't look and say, as I can say, you know, if I want to do it sometimes, I will come they laugh. And I don't want to follow and laugh. You know, say sometimes if your mind come they come down, you don't feel just say, you just fight person, fight. You just, your mind go just they beat her for that person. Sometimes I say, I don't want to follow this woman and laugh. Now I be waiting there so. If you want to understand this video well, go Jamo Jasper. Go a platform. If you reach there, read everything when Jamo Jasper they put for there. Now there you go see everything when it dey on. You not see a party they say Monica ex friend. I shall say this saga. You not go support British Okpeka o. That one now don't see the think of say, maybe they go betray her because he saw this why she dey join Monica S friend. You know, see, they are all now afraid of me. I not come follow you fight for years. At the end of the day, now me go see a party this thing. The time when they take Bolo they go Awebo because of British Okpeka. A party they narrate all of them. These people, you know what? Rita, sometimes Rita don't know how to do live video. Sometimes Rita they use pepper body they do live video. When they use pepper body they do live video, you will think you want to scare people away. And these people you thought that you go to scare away, they have been there. You not feel scared them out. Only what you will do stood on your ground. Anybody will be say he come on for any group, do not have anything to do with them. Once you get something to do with them, it's like, I don't want to talk again, I beg. It's not too much. What do you listen?
You know how many people come back for Benin say you ready when you even do evil? The people when you do battle, when you ready to stand by my back to destroy you, but I let you go.
Why did you do it? You for do at
You
that time.
regress?
Why did you do
What
it?
will be your problem for those in that space? Who called you here? Who insulted you? Who mentioned your name? Why are you always putting yourself in the matter that is not?
Now, person carry grace come those about space. Now, person wait first. Rita, wait. Rita, wait first.
Or do you think I'll be scared of you?
Rita, now person for this social media, now person carry grace come this those about space. But see when he carry grace come those about space now John Lovett. The first day when I see grace for John Lovett platform, I know say grace. That you not Rihanna. Now John Lovett carry grace. Come if you they talk say who bring grace? Come this those about space. Now John Lovett. John Lovett when carry grace, come you will grace not they can reach today. Then this matter when you dey ground that day now, you they go they use system. They talk about grace. You yourself go Damo Jasper, go in this thing. Go Damo Jasper, go her wait till she dey blog, right up. That one says somebody when he use police they arrest your parents. I think I will bring it very soon now. I will come to read Damo Jasper right up when she dey do. I come to read them for now. May you they see am. You know say when it comes to analyzing. Now me get analyze after me now be apropos the Godfather. With analyze or wait till you talk and analyze and wait till you write put for there. I go analyze am. Now John Lovett carry grace come. If John Lovett should leave grace, there is no other person where you go feel your grace. No matter how that fight go stroke reach. Nobody feel your grace again. John Lovett will carry grace come. You with grace not there again. If you be another live video presenter, say you know you work on the Leo Grace, where Grace dey so she like her. Grace is somebody wey be say she go open a leg, she go put one for Monica side, she go put one for British Okpeka side. And Monica no grace, and British Okpeka no grace. All of them when he run, when he waka, you think say no know wetin they do.
You just came to sell your integrity for no reason. You want to come and do, you don't just pretend when they work online. People not they buy you. Pretense does not work here. The reason why I will continue to the girl upper hand over you.
Grace needs saga. For where?
I am fighting you to the core with the truth. Now truth I can find you. You send me my mama Felicia. If you want buy make it buy them. Anything we want to they make it come out to you. Now message where they say you go. Now be they leave you. I bet you not use all of them get say. So what is it?
That's when they talk. So now wait till all of them plan be that.
Did they mention your name?
Grace go tell you say na person send them. Okay.
You not fear, you carry my video, they just call you. Say me you come
fight for you stop to be hard done.
Carry my video, you want to analyze. Now me go come analyze your own now. Why bear that boss get in the way?
Okay. You see how?
Daughter-in-law.
Okay.
She can decide to tell my husband, say this woman, I don't want me to marry and pursue her. I will go house.
Pretenders.
The Iyeki can also decide also.
See them.
Now so. Rita says, sit there. Well, I say never now. Oh, if you want draw their leg, they go give you head. If you want draw their head, they go give you heart. They go even give you nyam self. They go give you nyam. You don't see what he talk. He say if Rita Paka say he don't want am today, he go for your mind. You don't see. He just want to use that word to chase you. If Monica say he don't want be with this thing, Monica will say he don't want. These people they go change on. Oh my God.
Even though they offend me, you won't hear it in my mouth. I'm not talking about Iyeki or Nobibi, but I'm talking about.
My darling people, now see matter.
And I saw now.
Even though they offend me, you will not hear it in my mouth. Why? Who know hear for your mouth? We not hear for your live video. Not be your mouth. You tell they run up and down. They say, hey, please don't touch my live video. Don't touch my copyright. I want everybody to enjoy this music. I want the whole world to enjoy it. Don't put copyright, please. Don't put copyright. Just leave it. Who you the talk to? Not be a copy. Who put copyright for your video? Bring the evidence. Come out. I be you to say we not hear when Mama talking for line say he put copyright for your video. He don't kaya to pretend she don't come out genuinely. Which day you want to do your own? Cha! Me when I enter house.
About extended family, you won't hear it.
Okay.
Because I'm a wife.
Okay.
I beg. I'm not listening. See, Rita, see, I know they like when somebody lie.
See ya.
I know they like me, man like it.
Oh,
I don't
this
like it.
never like you. You went back to Grace.
Basically, I don't know how to put it. Why are you lying? See, your mother did not even tell you that I called her. You are lying on your mother's head. I'm also lying on my head.
Okay.
Your mother did not tell you that I called her.
Okay.
What time will I have to call?
Now, let's go back to the drawing book. The video when I do for them, I mention your name inside number 1 to start with.
Okay. You
Your
reply
name
say, is it
I can say Grace.
Osato
If
Henry?
he cut that place,
He
come
say Grace na
start
troublemaker.
before we go just start now.
She never know.
The place, this place where you place so, where they write your name or where they put your name or where I mention your name, I can't say Grace. Call my mama for me. All these things, I show you say you get your videos so that maybe they keep on. Yes. Yes, maybe me and you go roll for a long time. You never know. Maybe you get reason where they look you. You don't even know. Do you have any evidence? Where?
Rita, to be honest, to be sincere, I am a sincere person. The saga when they do this all these days, it's like you need grace attention. You know, it's like you need grace attention. I will say you come out now, you the saga Grace, saga Zokbeka, saga Monica, the three of them at the same time. Hey, you go let person they talk. You see all those this word wey just they talk for years. So make I tell you how they roll for this social media. You were trying to just rear Grace to your side, and now this woman now she go. I bet Rita, you fuck off for here. You too fuck up. Now this woman, now you go record your mama, put her for social media. Even if now people tell her say go record now, even if they mention na John Lovett, na Monica, na British Okpaka, na Felicia, na Lovely, na this one, na that one. As far as that action take place, man, you supposed to lose her. You not lose her. And when this thing happen, wait till I tell you. You tell me, say, later you come out. People, they want make I come follow them, fight the enemy. Me, I fight my own command for there before your all happen. Yes? When Grace come to say, when Grace go come, as Grace go Ishan come. Because say I don't know wetin they be want make Grace come carry come out. They tell Grace say make Grace go back there. Now one person talk say are you going back to that village again? You know wetin they don't plan wait for you for that village. And how we say Grace to enter that village, police go carry am. Even when police they call Grace for Igwebe, when police they call Grace for Igwebe, Grace come feel say na play. By the time when Grace come no say this matter no be Facebook matter. Now there Grace come withdraw itself come out. What did Grace do? He put Ojon Lovett for there. Now Grace, now you want to play. Now me no Grace. There is no amount of shout when you go shout. No amount of shout. I always tell you, if you want to get grant for social media, get better people for grant. When I deal with Grace, not only me want to deal with Grace, so not only me want to deal with Grace. When it's still done, the people who are Rita together, they say, Mama, I don't reach. Barrister, I don't reach. You see, they say, Barrister, I don't reach. You see it? No, see, go this person platform. Go, what did you call her? Jamo Jasper, go a platform. And somebody when you arrest your papa, arrest your mama, you go see get sweet word for her. Oh, you won't fight. These same people when you want use Grace, say fight. Then with Grace, they be the same. Ojolofe when Waka leave Grace, say Ojolofe no get strength to fight Grace. Ojolofe say where Grace dey, she no go fit. Grace na one kind person. If he leave you, don't leave you, no they come back. If he leave you, don't leave you, no they come back. Now they beat Grace, like Grace. Now he like. When Ojolofe come they do Grace song, live video for Grace that time. You get where Ojolofe blow Grace reach. You can't be like say Ojolofe is just walking in vain. Ojolofe stop because where Grace don't enter. Ojolofe no say she cannot fight Grace come on for dear. Is it not Ojolofe that stood with Grace and Sagami? Upon Ojolofe stood with Grace and Sagami, what I do there? I use the to do Sagami joke for this social media. Because one, I was not serious with them. If you want to serious with these people, you have to have people wait. Be see something happen, boy. You will see somebody will go help you call DPO. You go even see people when you go help you call this. Hey, well, I said me. When Grace, when Ojon Lovett, Grace don't fight for Ojon Lovett rich. He fight for Ojon Lovett fight for Grace. You know, you're waiting when Ojon Lovett they do video. The day of Ojon Lovett burial for open school. Now soldier and I follow Ojon Lovett stand. Ask Grace, soldier. They call they beg. Soldier. I mean, I get the clip, I get the distance, I get the video. You know what? How they deal with people. As Ojon Lovett they do before. They want first go that community. That community want Ojon Lovett day. You know? The one when the something come they be, no be hurry. If you want fight this, you think say not ordinary man, you want to fight them. If you they beat them for abroad, make sure say you get people when go they help you, they saga them. This video now when Rita they do, if you still do now, these people now they go some other people go your papa house. They will still go do what they first do you, and you not get what you go do. Why you go there for social media? You go they shout. You don't get action. I know they like her. Now, so if I tell you that day, do action for this your papa, oh, you tell me say no. You say you are the fight who want to help you fight. I already fight my fight. Come on for that. Even Monica S friend said when you with her Saga Monica that time, that one do video. He say the second one when Grace go use the papa to play. He said that one do and finish it, come on for dear. He said no even be like your own. He said that one do and finish. They don't carry my papa go police station. Say you will come carry my papa come on for police station. Come carry and go this thing. Just say no my papa with his wife just the fool self. I said not be my papa with his wife when he go the fool. Say I beg. Grace for no come on for that compound. If not be greediness when they worry. My power wife. What's the Grace? So Grace said, "Now my power wife tell us say make a video house. He said make a video the house around. They find who want repair house for him. Make house kill him. Me I talk and say The day when my papa go buy me, I know they forgive. My papa no know today say forgive. My daughter say mo they no live from mortuary. Make money no can go. They can't. No be say na me one come out and no be me be senior when one bury am. Say na me be senior. The body go dey mortuary. Now his wife go even bury your husband by herself. Now me be I know they forgive. I no get forgiving heart. Grace talk and Grace say now my pale wife say make it record the house. That they find who one help them. Even if say I be breeze, I'll go remove the remaining zik. You can't betray me. I'll come with you. You can't be afraid. Are they Grace? When they tell Grace, make Grace go back again. All those ones that they fight. Now Grace, people when they Grace group say, Grace not go there again. You when you don't fight go, you come back. You won't go again. Not go again. All of them they wrong. Now let this guy. Now he give Grace money. Where they call him? This guy went there. America. Where they call him? I don't forget his name. That Bini guy. Osato now. Osato that they call him. Be waiting that they call him. Grace when people they give her 200,000. 100,000 to just a dash Grace. When problem with me with Grace, Grace no see money. Now that guy, I can give all your people when Grace they call, all of them, they pack on my side. They pack on my side. People when want give Grace money, all of them pack on my side. Now only that guy, Osas, when the American, only Osas give Grace 100,000. You want below person, you they down for social media, you they shot, bo. I bet my sister, you know they do and way. This one when you see they do so, they go see arrest your papa, arrest your mama. All I say, not be that the same house. You think say Grace now one kind bad person. Don't be you they share for social media. I beg my sister, now social media you for not let social media your fight reach. Let your fight see they come on for social media. Now let you know how many people juju see because of British Okpeka, they drag at it go juju place. They fight finish for social media. They go land themselves for grant for Shiran. A party they talk. If they talk for live video, they tell where party dead there. I tell say party you never know where you did. Now party they tell Monica S friend say, may you not dance go where British Okpeka day. Because if that woman trying, as a party don't support that woman rich. Monica S friend, she go collect for a party hand. I said this social media, the one way they social media now, the one I never see before. Now I go there, this social media, I go pity. You know, Grace. You just Rita just sit there, you just a shout for social media. When you they take action for social media, say they take action for ordinary ground. Not be only social media, only camera, where so for no the next thing they go arrest your papa. See the other day when you they insult person. Yeah, you they insult person, the person here, when you they insult, he pack police, pack everything, pack and go your papa house. As the people reach there now, they say, your papa with your mama, they don't come out for the house. You see, when the person come, he says, see, you're not going to say, I say, it don't reach like this. May I tell you, people can donate 1 million, to scatter you. Rita, you see this social media, people can donate 1 million to scatter you. Me, I know everything. Ask Grace, when Grace, you know why Grace, if you reach my matter, Grace know the too much stress itself. Grace no say, if I want to do, I go do. The day when Ojon Love do a papa burial, soldier follow Ojon Love stand. Now beg, they come, they beg. Make Grace come talk. If I lie, I get this small video. I get the video. If people want to deal with you, they will deal with you mercilessly. No go they do video. You went when you carry police go from Victor house that time. Where the same police when you carry go from Victor house I be where you carry from Victor go that time. Why you not still they use the same thing? Now me again they see they analyze. No. You go just see it, go just if no, not be like this. I want off this thing with Rita. People from Facebook say if Lovely reach where Rita dey, this fight, they go fit fight am. These people, they block me. And when these people block me, come out for there, Rita come out. Rita, they say, I not be me go join you, beat your enemy. When they hear that word for Rita mouth, now so they come, all of them come, they message me, they call me. You see, huh? They say, lovely, I don't want to see you for this matter. Lovely, I don't want to see you for this matter. Lovely, I don't want to see you for this matter. Now so I take come out. They say somebody when you now so I take come out. That time they say Monica. I say, see, you go feel fine grace. Nobody when they no go feel fine. We find grace rich, we use this to take find grace. When my brother did there, when my mama brother did there, when everybody did there, grace no say my brother did there. Everything when they happen for there, grace no know. You just have finished your joint entire house. Who you they shout for? This Facebook, anything, you know they see another this thing. You know they see people when they saga May. You know they see they use police say they arrest them. now you won't call you ordinary man because they talk. When you bully person too much, arrest must come. See the time when they arrest your papa and your mama that year, abuse the arrest. Don't reach 4 years now. You think that age when your mama did that time, I still day now. You will let these people now, they'll still go below your mama for house. And if they won't go meet your mama, you not go know. If they go, they're not going to tell you say that they go. You don't see the time when they reach where my pallet day. When they reach where my pallet day, they say, and I say, I don't know my pallet. I did not run. I should go reach your house. I go so I know you. People just say, lovely don't deny papa. Lovely don't deny papa. Lovely don't deny papa. Now see ya. As I don't know, say, she won't begin carrying me. They tell they do this yo. I can say, I say, no, before you know, as you do this video, and some people they come me say, Mama, remove hand for that matter. Mama, I don't want to see your hand for that matter. Not be say if I want that matter, not be say they get waiting, they want do me, oh. They don't get waiting, they want do me. But the people when stand for me, when grace happen. If those people they against grace that time, may they carry grace come, may we buy grace, night the day. But when you come reach outside Duko, they love grace. When grace come social media, come me down they beg. You think say now let grace arrange and come social media. They talk say if you want make this saga, make it may all of it with lovely not carry you. Just go apologize. When you come apologize, say, may carry wahala they go. If I can't do video put, I laugh. Me when reject grace, he say, I dey grace. You when arrest my papa. I say you arrest. You when go my papa house. You record my papa when you carry across social media. That thing when you do, where my papa dey, me I go feel record my father, put on for social media because why I zuzu pass you. Even my papa, I zuzu pass my papa. At the end of the day, when he got my power, at that time worst. She collect. She collect, I be she don't collect. She collect, I be she don't collect. She collect. Even though the whole life video call they talk say, see when Grace go temper, lovely papa, Grace sleep for set till they break. You go just they shout. Now shout you want to fight. All those people when you they fight, my sister. If you want to they fight, all they fight, not they mention their name again. Not they draw they call your side again. Anybody when leave Monica, leave and make it they go. They still they go back to Monica. All of them are the same. Emi no eki o me. You know what it be o me? That village where that time. You know, oine. No, listen. It's about time one.
Thing will happen. You don't go see anything. Do you go run around and you will see the damn beg. Just the way you done before.
By the time when you want to join them, they fight your enemy.
I told you last time, say your friend will beat you. Say no lie. She will down the do all those things. You see here you do so. He go beat you. If I still tell you this one, you say
no concern you.
Don't let me change that for you.
No, if you want to beat on, just they beat on your own.
To make you a victim of what you don't know. Enter your house. Carry body proof for what they don't call you. Nothing is definitely concerning you yet. You just want to be relevant in the middle of nowhere. Get inside. Go and take care of your children. How many children do you have? There's 7, I don't know. There are plenty. Enough work for you. Get inside with him.
The day when they will pack come out, now you
I know
yourself
your
go do
conscience
it.
is judging you. I know, say your mind, they tell you, say, but they don't know, say, now they talk to you about copyright and all those things.
My
Based on,
sister,
say,
you see that
your
copyright?
husband and wife don't talk
You see that copyright? You
That's
don't
my
forget.
problem, and not my own.
Eh.
You supposed to concern by come you say, why you they talk? So I tell you that kind of thing.
Hmm.
If to say now by you they talk to now say, why you can't talk that kind of thing on live video? I tell you that one. I don't hear. Not be even me will not insult you. She didn't also insult you also. So what are you doing? Now so you take spoil saga for your friend hand before you jump into matter where they not call you. The same thing.
Rita, may I tell you one thing? Wait.
Waiting not concern you. You just.
Rita, may I tell you one thing? You know, say all these people, if they mention their name, you know why they put your body, their body put for where you dey. If fight come, can you help them to fight? Now that one that they talk. Now that one that they talk. If fight come, can you help them to fight? Can you get anything when you want to for them? You feel take police. Now that one that they talk, all those people when you go see now, you say, now so they do this one, now so they do this one, now so they do that one. All of them get group when they gather money together. All of them get group. Okay, if they call British Okpaka now, if British Okpaka say they call your place now, if they go arrest British Okpaka mama for evoking me, you get wetin you go fit do. You get support when you want support. These people, they find who go support them. These people, they find who go support them. When people say they fall for inside hole, they go find who go drag them. Come out. See, Monica that day now. That they say Ghana, in France, they donate money for his birthday when he want to, which night he want to do the birthday. They already they donate money for her. That they say Monica, in France, they donate money for her. If now police now Monica want take now first ever donate money when you want to take a police. My sister, how does your caller when they call you? Tell them make they wake up. Because this fight, when you can't fight for social media, only you want to know if you fight. I know what time they talk. I don't go there, I don't come. Even the time when me with Grace they fight that time, Monica never be Grace friend. Even when Grace do juju, Monica come say me say lovely come oh. Grace don't bury cow with oil. When Monica they do that video, I can't they laugh. Monica with Grace don't they play that time. Don't they play? Grace he say Monica he got fast when the whole ground. Now he make Grace. He go where Monica dey. He leave Odion Lovett. For social media, people they find who get ground where they go stay. Now try they tell you. Tomorrow night support the Belekpanya. I get some of my mama when I will call say mama, you don't set a girl. They'll say, barrister, no worry. You just they shout. Unless I don't want to they bring problem they come from my mamas because I know that won't be your maybe. If I say make I call, make I call now say mama see you. Go say no worry. No. They don't arrange police for you. You don't get people where they arrange police for you. Yeah? See the same platform, Monica platform. Now they all there. Even they say they're not they deny. I don't know why Rita they shout. They not deny. They say now they arrange the police when you arrest your mama. They not they deny. You see they repeat. The time when you supposed to do, you not do. Walu. These people, if you not fit stand, say if they use police come arrest you, say you yourself go stand with them, they better stay there. They don't come where you dey. Because they know how they play. You know they see Prince Okpaka. You know last say Prince Okpaka if you reach Nigeria, you go the throw mark for me. I tell Prince Okpaka as if you dare mention my name for a walking, I can't use police say arrest your mama. For there, where Prince Okpaka go start for there, I'll use police arrest. I will from Igwebe send police go give her. But you know they mention my name, but I know if you come say I want use police arrest and me with her, we just they fight our fights. That one don't pass. But if you come to say if Monica they may be Okpaka, all of them they fight, you got to say you want to enter this team. My sister, if I were you, if I enter, I go they sack all of them together. If you say you want to go carry this one, Leon, you want to carry second one, Leon, they go come out for you. They go come out for you. Now try to tell you. They will come out.
That we meet. I apologize to her. She apologized to me. We forget the whole thing. I have never have any discussion with your mother.
So, Grace, the time I said that you apologized to my mother on live video that time, what did you say?
On Facebook.
At you, hear matter, my darling people. Una see the way we truth be. It will take how many years? She was denying it because of this her friend with this thing. And today she's admitting it. Maybe this one will you deny today. You will use your mouth to say it another 2 years' time. I know the hurry follow now. I'm a very patient person, my darling. You see my hurriness. I want the hurry follow.
My sister, if they don't follow them.
I don't serve you. I studied you guys. I'm a fast learner.
If they pursue you, as far as you don't get this social media, you don't already start to the pursue. My sister, if they run, follow them. You say you want to
say. Your friend come out and do something to say it's a lie. Say Rita the lie. Rita no blow a lie. Not be you they use your mouth talk to them. So why did you apologize to her? My mother is the one that is supposed to apologize to you. Because she offended you, come meet you for Wariabi. I say you know your house. You know your family. I've been inside your husband's house today. When you carry what you know, go meet him for inside house. You think that they do that one for Benin, they go free. Benin not be worried. If Benin people tell you say that head you can't enter the house, you put them for head, you put them for head.
My sister, leave that thing.
You not deny her. You denied it, you say it's a lie.
You want to wait till these people they do all the time. You want to they arrange them. They know they arrange them. They do all the time.
2 years time, you'll be able to say it again.
These people when problem will come, the person will not give you money to chop. They will give you money. No.
Grace, are you not too big for this? Are you not too big? Now you and my mama they do screenshot or no screenshot. You they crazy. You want my mama to do social media saga. Now it's ask my mama for the beat you now. If you want beat you, go beat you for inside your house. Not be una mate, any of mama too small. Not be mama say no una pay una mama fresh you wait for grave. Una mama don't know how to live life.
My soul no say how you dey. Still love, long time.
My mama no be una mama mate. Not be even una mate. You know they do social media things with una. You know
okay, you don't know Grace. That pastor that time.
Now they talk with you now. What you now do hide now they talk for street. Are you hearing me, Grace? Somebody say, tell my mama is Christian. You the Grace who write that to me. My mama don't do that. The truth we waited for since 2 years ago, nobody she used her mouth to talk today. But you said it that time. Maybe people can still remember, or your friend, you said it that time, you said no lie, say I they talk lie. All of you, what 8 of you, 20 of you were fighting me.
They're not going to below everything.
You say
they will below everything.
That can saga high.
That they cut and small.
Why did you say you apologize to my mama? So Grace, why did you apologize to my mother? Were you not the one that was chasing my mother up and down? I thought my mother stole from you. I say it's if you're picking Bini woman. We word day mouth. So woman we bomb you. You say no go go for month. You don't know say na snake they bomb snake. You say no get what for month? Say you saw my mother, you was able to kneel down and beg and apologize when she opened mouth for you. You come social media and you deny. And I told you that the truth will set you free. Today, Uko, you are not saying it with your mouth. You apologize to my mama. Today, you have used your mouth to say it by yourself. To say you apologize to her. She can't still apologize to you over what? Shall you finish your own case, then we started our own. Why did you apologize? You have never told social media today. Was it only because me I should stop dragging you? Well, 8 of you not dragging me. Why this is my hits 90 minutes for una body pass? All of you were dragging me. My hits constantly hit you when you go to beg for. You say when my mama begged me, you was begging, practically begging me. I said you begged and you said it was a lie. Now you are not using your mouth to say it. I not call them, you constantly. So mumu people now go believe you. Don't see follow you enter this. I don't call.
And that's why you tell them say they know what that they do. Oh,
una say na mumu the way we una be na me be. When it was what I was one.
I was all blood. They'll tell you.
They'll tell you for my son.
You know what? May I tell now?
But what you say?
If na grand na Rita they do this saga, therefore don't buy Rita a long time. This saga way they do, she will come they explain. They don't need the explanation. Why are you explaining? You not see when my own happen. I not explain. Me if I, you know what I tell they do. If I come Facebook, I will they laugh. They don't even know say I they cook food for ordinary ground. As me, because they do Facebook reach. They say lovely, you know, barrister said, they say, no, if you talk, no, it's social media. Let it British Okpaka, you know, say British Okpaka can't come out. British Okpaka say, the say lovely when he say, they find trouble, it settlement. Say lovely, go use police, go arrest Grace, they can't change her. They say Grace, waka go majestically, waka come back majestically. He never told
Anything I promise you inside my saga, we are putting. It's not a joke.
My sister, leave that thing.
You see hand.
You get action. You get that. Just get action. You know, as I come, when Grace come see say, I just block small thing for this thing. My body come they pepper me. My mama they come they cool me down. You know, if you not take action, my body come they pepper me. They come to say lovely. See, if you do anything, if this woman know. This woman will quickly go block road. When I come they use them take the joke. I thought say Grace, they go. I don't forgive your husband, and they go. Now if Okpaka come and say if you forgive, no. Whether I say I forgive Grace, I know for now Grace. Now if Okpaka talk say why you not see forgive Grace husband? I don't know the one when I say I forgive for inside. Grace, Prince Okpaka carry the video. Come they do. Then you will see Prince Okpaka today. If I did somewhere, Prince Okpaka, you know they get peace. So say if lovely enter there, that thing don't finish. I thought they do like one kind say they don't win. I thought they do say they don't win. I thought say make una go, I forgive you now. Make una go, I forgive you now. Before you know, whoa, now they shout come and say, lovely don't use police. So later they come to say, na Grace. Go waka go police station majestically, waka come back majestically. When Grace sleep police station. The day when with nobody believe, oh, I don't want me to believe. I say secret must leak. When Grace with all of it they quarrel, and not all of it, he say that time lovely arrest her. He say not be the one when Rita they do. Or all of it still talking. He say lovely arrest Grace. This guy went there Canada. America, yeah, big Canada, Osat. Osat say, lovely, when lovely, and he cures ya, arrest Grace. He say, lovely, say, Osas, you must live where Grace dey. As I talk, and I say, Osas, stay come on for that. Osas, everything for here, I get her. The day when all of it, they do that video, I record and be me, I can't they play her. When Grace come shout, come out, when all of it come shout, come out. You see a police station, Ojol of vet, make una ask am. Ojol of vet, I don't know whether Grace can't call am. Ojol of vet can't they want to they defend Grace. What did they tell Ojol of vet? They tell Ojol of vet say they don't need your opinion. They don't need your opinion. You see, huh? If you say maybe they talk Rita, here is a book where social media now. Now let's shout, you just they shout. And always they tell you look for people where be say if problem come. If that they use police say they pursue you, see they use police say they pursue them. If not ground you day, Rita, these people for don't buy you through way. You don't know how to do group fights. Where go away group fights? A lot of people that get supporter. You know one supporter. This one where they go do video, you come they analyze them. The time when they analyze this video, you they reason another thing when you go do. So they analyze this video now. You see these people now, they're underground and they cook now, they cook you now. Me, I know them, oh, but me with they never fight, say, you will come be police, me with they come use police, they fight. Not another fight, me with them, they fight. Because they know say, if they start that fight, even the people when they follow them, with the people when they follow me, they be the say, we not go fit crash. Because they can never let us crash. The truth that they tell you. May I tell you the truth of this social media? There can people when some people tell when they follow Monica. Some people when they follow Monica, they where I there. May I tell you, when it comes to police, maybe with Monica, can use police say they fight ourselves. They not go agree. They not go pull hand. But as far as you, they go pull hand. And if you want to fight these people, say you want to genuinely fight, you must have people. If you don't get people, my sister, if not to talk, as they do this video now. They cook you. They cook your matter for ground now. How come be say you sit down and they do this tomorrow now they'll go carry your papa, carry and go police station again. You go for the second time. My sister, bribing full Nigeria. Corruption. Nigeria is a corrupt country. I don't know. If you let me, they shout. When Grace reach police station, what did they tell Grace? Say, now, people went there abroad. Now you want to they fight. Those people when they go change 50 euro go full grand. The time when Grace reach, nobody gives Grace money. Everybody went there with Grace. When they tell Grace, say, see 200, take do shopping. Take 150, take do shopping. All of the below come for where Grace did. You won't be like say Grace don't marry grand. When Grace enter house for my matter, it is said Grace no get strength when you want to fight me. People when stand for Grace, all of them, they're wrong. They're wrong. Because Grace take action. Me, I take action too. Now, dear Grace, no say, lovely get people. Lovely get people. Then see where Grace did now. Grace use one side, take stand for where Monica did. You use one side, take sit down for where British Okpaka did. Now, that person now you want to enter matter. If you say you want to enter Grace matter now, Monica go drag Grace. If you say you want to enter British matter before this, British go drag Grace. You see the two people now when they say that they do saga so. There is no way when you go take join them, no they mention their name. If Monica the saga British Okpaka, leave them, just the analyzer. If British Okpaka the saga Monica, leave them, just the analyzer. If you see say at the thought of British Okpaka, because me with British Okpaka, we fair fight. Now make me they talk about her. Not that I'm really serious about her again. My saga with her don't finish. If you go drag Monica, Monica go drag you because of Grace. If you say message to British Okpaka now, say see what Grace talk for your body, British Okpaka go drag you, go drag Grace. My sister, they don't send though. Now you send, they don't send. That time when the real police say arrest Grace. What did British Okpaka do? British Okpaka say, now wow, but you don't say you forgive, I leave Okpaka, they shout. Okpaka carry the matter, Okpaka, iron and go here, iron and go here, iron and go here. Wait till Grace go video call, see lovely, where the very lovely mama, bro. I say, where Zeta, you go tire. As it all finish, where the very mama, I throw away the house for there. You know, if you want to deal with people, anyone will come on for a year, you are not carrying. Me, I don't feel carry. I don't feel carry. Person when you don't fight you cannot carry the person. You don't feel gather your own. See another, don't see they come again. If you say you want to go where Bishop Parker, then I go drag you, drag Grace. For your mind now, as you they insult, you they talk about Grace now. For your mind now, say Bishop Parker, they happy. If you call Monica now, call Grace now. For your mind now, say Grace go tell you say you want to go saga Monica. Copyright when they do now, people shout come out. Monica video get copyright. Not because of Grace speaking, Grace bone. Now Monica put this in. Now me they blog Monica video. Now let me want be live video presenter when if they record Monica, if Monica they live. If I they record Monica, they go they put copyright. Not be today. Even when they talk about that copyright, I say, Monica get copyright. There is some video when I go do some time, they go write copyright, say, this video, you get copyright. You see, if you want to fight my sister, all those ones for social media, forget that you, I know they listen to you.
So you see yourself now. Now you are admitting it the last time when I call your mother last. Because your mind is telling you that the evidence might come out. That make you add this one during now. Grace, give your life to God. Repent genuinely.
Now so TZ. Yeah.
Now me pursue you through away for the time my mama was so. Now me fling you out. If you don't know, you are not knowing now. I flinged you.
Grace.
Because my mother and a woman of God, I don't want me to come because of picking, you go sensitize her and go come your house. I don't want that.
Grace.
That's why I flinged you out. And I
Grace go there with you. Grace go there beat you. He go there with you.
Are you hearing me? You the Chris.
Grace go there beat you. He go there with you. That time when I dey saga Grace go use video call to call me. I will offer.
I keep it because of what my lawyer
Ask me, oh. You say my mother apologize to her. Ask me what you do and where you want to apologize to her. For person day, your husband ask yet away. You see, say you come meet him for his ass. What you meet him for? They not kill your pikin. They not fight you. You know, concern me, concern you. People when me and they fight for social media, they different. Even to the video today, to the video, you not see and you know that you have offended me. You need that for Nigeria, you beg. You even say me they beg me, you say you know what going on. Like social media something get the way it be the video, no will come out, they will drag you, they'll beat you here. Later, you are not coming out to come and talk rubbish again. He say, I didn't call your mother, but I have the day I call your mother last. That's what we do.
Rita, you don't know say there is some case when you go there against you. They go offer. There is some case, at this case they be. As Grace do that something that time, he off the case. The lawyer go tell and say this case just offer. We go come back to this case again. If they are coming back to this case again, Rita, make sure say you get lawyer. Not be Facebook. Work on Facebook fight. Make sure you get lawyer. Make sure you get lawyer. Because if you want to wake up this case, say now talk. Now you go talk for social media. My sister. The one when you go collect again, you don't go like her. Social media will still burst. You don't see that woman when you fight for that Monica ex-friend. What did she tell you? He said, "May you take action." Not be what did she tell you be that. He said, "Take action." The second one where Grace go video in Papa. You know if you be like your own. That one take action. If that one talk and people not believe. That one take action. That one can't talk for social media. You take action. Do not take action. Hey, Grace, where you go see worry. Nothing. You just live and you can track person. You go fit track person with your phone number and all. Grace that time we tracking. Police they track Grace. Now you want to bring this matter. Did you have lawyer now? Did you have supporter? They carry matter throw away. He dey inside belle. You they say Grace can't beg your mama. You can beg person attack that person back. You know they see some villages. They'll say make peace. The people go say this peace when we want make. No na there talajo. If not, they can make they don't come from back catch us so. Instead of you now to define how you want to do and I know so if you do this video finish now you go enter house. For you know now that time it don't reach 4 to 3 years now. When that something happen, if na market person they trace is all these years with 1,000 naira, the person never enter 1 million naira. Those people they have more people. They know people where. They know people where. When Grace, when all of it they do party, person when all of it they search for social media, una know Anna, prophetess Deborah. Now soldier na him carry match, his husband match enter inside there. When your husband want enter the party, your husband come dress like he disgust. He disgust when he want enter the party. He disgust. All of it, they say all of it, they say see the way when your husband take on, he disgust. Say me they don't know one. Before you know, soldier stand now. All of it, sisters, all of them come they beg. Before they let them do that barrier. Now Grace, that Grace when you they see so nice still beg. For your mind, you they say Grace can't beg your mama. Are you serious? Now Grace beg. Grace can't they beg. Everything they take place. Not be as they do this finish. Wait, it don't go. As they do the better finish, they can't tell all of us say make it come back to police station. I don't know whether they go police station or go. Grace take Lovette comot for Benin. Now me no Grace. Grace take Lovette comot for Benin. The day when you see Lovette for Grace house after burial, he just Lovette take run comot for Benin. The person when Lovette they saw Lovette no believe say that person go free bite am. After Grace with Lovette come the quarrel. Now Lovette come apologize to prophetess Deborah. You know where prophetess Deborah with the soldier when they come Ojolo vet this thing all the way from Abuja. All the way from Abuja. If you see them, maybe I will find this thing now. I'll call another of my criminal crime. We get criminal crime. Oh, there. You went, oh my God. As you see me, so I get people well. I get people. That will say, how you take do? I get people well. Let's say sometimes I know they like, you know, say now. Sometimes it's your I'll say you go there or that, and this you go the hang. You know, they quick show itself. You know, that's it. If you want to do this thing, not be so if you shout finish, you go enter house. No, I go boy yo, I make me yo. You know, now so they tell you do one. All the way from Abuja, now they bolly enter or John vet. I papa burial day when you do for inside school. Grace pick or Jolov after they do the burial finish. Grace pick or Jolov. He can't go back to this thing to worry. Now that time you take see that they're going to eat fish for restaurants. You see, huh? Then people when you they deal with my sister, make I tell you, they're not I know them. They're not where. If you they mention Monica, they mention Grace, you just they waste time. Mention Monica, mention Grace, mention Becca. You see the three of them, they are corrupt people. Now only Becca never use police say arrest person. And where the crook day for juju and all, Prince Becca dead there. He dead there. You know, sometimes if you want fight, you go win for me. You got to talk, say, Prince Becca talk if you want talk. Prince Becca talk if you want talk. That one see the baba head. Rita, if you never know, Prince Becca see the baba head. You want to saga? You know
Person where they use you, where not.
She don't know anything. She did at home. Now, I beg. Help me tell her she's a learned person. Let her give you the screenshots of my calling her.
Okay.
Show the number
Jack.
We show the months, the dates,
Yeah.
and time.
They're not even deny.
That's what I need. I just need that.
Maybe Jack. They're not
Before you
deny.
collect that one, the video when I ask you, when I tell you insult you, you will go bring and come. You decrease. To start with, why is my number, mother phone number with you? Two of phone number. You say you drag person go police station, your friend you thief you abi. So why is her phone number with you? Your enemy number one. Now, not be enemy again. A mother is a mother of all. It's a mother of everybody. Grace, repent genuinely.
So
Grace, you don't get conscience.
That's the way Grace they talk, so you believe. Now, wow.
I believe. A competent is able to guide you
from back carry you.
You don't get conscience when they regulate you. If you have conscience, how will you be feeling inside your house after
My
you have
people,
done this, knowing that you are just black
he got video when I do that day. I say if I see Grace, I go wear bomb. Me go wear bomb. Me with Grace go explode with the bomb. You they talk of phone number. You they talk of this one. These people, you are just talking. Now they go beat you finish. Now they go call you say no verse again. I need that. They beg you. They don't. They want. Oh, I beg. May we leave you. May we they talk. These people. Well, I say.
Of my calling her. The screenshots will show the number I used to call her. It will show the months, the dates, and time. That's what I need. I just need that. The screenshot.
Before you collect that one, the video when I ask you, when I tell you insult you, you will go bring and come. You decrease. To start with, why is my number, mother phone number with you? Two of phone number. You say you drag person go police station, your friend you thief you abi. So why is her phone number with you? Your enemy number one. Now, not be enemy again. A mother is a mother of all.
Police can give your mama. You know what? May I tell you? May I tell you this one? If your mama no, if Grace can get your mama phone number, you see police station that they exchange phone number. Your mama fit just write, if you just write this thing for their statement, they'll say, Madam, put your phone number down. If Grace needs the phone number, police go say the woman drop your phone number. Grace go say she want apologize to the woman. Then police go say, okay, see the phone number of the woman. Police, they give phone number. Make una go make peace. If Grace get your mama phone number, nothing dey there. She can get that phone number for police station. She can get that phone number for police station. You can go get phone number now, public something which everybody can get. Somebody fit call you say, mama, somebody say, make I give you phone number. I also be that waiting now fight they carry. If now fight, I better not give her my phone number. You see that phone number now when they talk, Rita, forget. If you Grace will tell police say, I want to make peace with the woman. Police will say, okay, see the woman phone number. If na phone number now you want to come to analyze for year, my sister. These people, they are coming back the second time again. You have to be very careful. If you know, say, you know, if you fight them with police, just have to quit their saga. I know what I'm saying. Because, don't already do background now. You never know now. You just do social media. Before you know now. The court say they don't go carry your papa, carry your mama again. Because now who they see for house, now that they carry. Now so they be like a gbonuge. You see these people, they be a gbonuge. If you not come gbonuge, if na foul they see you, whether na your papa get am, whether not be your papa get out, as far as they see am for your compound, they go carry am. They go carry am. They be a gbonuge. Gbonuge can say, okay, you not come gbonuge today. Another person goats fee play reach another person cup and they go carry and they don't know whether or not the person get goat, whether or not the person get the goat. Now gbaluge, now they be. As they do this video, not be say you just relax. So if you just relax, you on your own fire you want to do. Not be say if you do video finish, you just enter house. Because not be talking they shout for social media. Because these people, you have said that they shout for social media, they do finish, they get group. They get group of company. If you they find nyaka, they get the group. You know, that's it. Not be this one. If you like, they mention the people.
Your enemy of Mama. No, not be enemy again. A mother is a mother of all. It's a mother of everybody. Grace, repent genuinely. So, Grace, you don't get conscience with it.
Grace, when they tell me that I lovely, you be small girl, I will deal with you. I will deal with you very well, lovely. You will be this small girl. This small girl, you not gonna leave me for waste. Lovely, I will deal with you. You never know me. But when Grace want come apologize, because you sit down for platform, he say, Mama, lovely. Forget that one. Now they analyze all those people when they fight you. The time when they analyze my sister. Now action. Now you go take because all those things. Okay, you know, imagine now, say, what bring Grace out now? You're supposed to ask yourself, what he make Grace come out? Well, I know Bekibo Sunu with the community Nelly with that Dagbare. Again, Yakido as they say, as Grace come out, so you know what they call her? Grace. Who could take Esquire? Now they say they apologize to your mama, you carry your mama phone, you gotta do this one. No, you wish you don't know Grace. Not be me go just tell you about Grace finish. Make they look at. Grace come out again now. You with Grace get problem when Grace come out. Because Grace he say you they mention your name. That the way when you did they want bring her to the matter. Now I make Grace come me to say, my sister, I beg. Our Grace want to enter now. You do the video. The video when you do now. You know, even your platform now for seeing. You can't make her loud. You know, you can't make her loud. These people, what did these people they do? They always they picks you up. And you go just dead there, maybe they picks you up. It doesn't work that way. Look for genuine people that will be there for you. Those people when they follow you, police. They don't know who know police. That's a pity. Maybe they don't go carry your mama come out again. Because you have a muladian, you know, get what you go see do. You see the social media. I have a tight. Yeah? As we shout reach that time. Sister Felicia say naim. This one say naim. Now because okay, everybody they say naim now. Which one you want coffee hole for inside? Everything will come make piri. None of them deny. You know, say, I don't know, hey, oh, my hand not do. This one say, oh, na my hand not do. This one say, na Felicia, na go do one. Felicia come and Felicia say, na go do one. This one come and this one say, na go do one. That one come and say, na go do one. If who deny that, who talk at that time, he deny, say, he not dey. Later, he still come out, he say, I John, what do you want to do? When somebody not deny something again, my sister, you go look and say, this thing, it dey dangerous. Now we do one. You know what it be now we do one. 10 people just sit down, 10 people just say, Maluole, Buedalu. Now we do one. What do you want to do? Who you want to feel? Huh? No. You they analyze grace. Grace don't come out again. You think say if they want arrest you now, for your mind now say your mama now and your papa, for your mind now say now grace now they go there. Grace go there. You never see the time when grace say, if they go, Vera. You remember that time when they got to say that they go Vera house where Vera children dey. As Vera enter live video, I tell Vera say, tell them make they read that they will see what they find. You know, since grace, he come on hand for that matter. You know to play with that matter. You know to play with that matter because people come quick tango on. You know, people quit tango. I can't say they go Vera house where Vera children dey. You want to go record down blah 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 blah. Grace never move. Now we tell Grace if you try, Grace he move again. You hear Grace matter hand for Vera matter again. Now once now they think they do something. All these things where you call they say, you get your mama, my mama phone number. You get my mama phone number. So wait, everybody can have somebody phone number. Wait till come be the phone number. Now phone number with they talk now. So these people now they go ready again now to come use police. They go arrest your parents and you call they talk of phone number. Your fans supposed to call you say, you know they talk of phone number again. You don't know what these people they plan now. Yeah? Any plan we have to phone number. Say why they talk of phone number now? Say Grace really make peace with your mama. Now I make it they talk of phone number. I been a fear Grace come they fear. Now you can't get your mama number. Person when he come out for worry. When he come out, nobody know. He go this before Grace reach Ishan. When Grace reach Ishan. Grace, they tell me say they even call me. Grace call me say. One man, all of them go together. He called me, say, that they go my family house. Where my family house, they now say, God punish you now. Now me go show you where my family house dey. I always say me, I want you to show Grace, my family house. Now my papa house, now they go. You know, say, this life, now two place, now that they see. I'm a Beroma, I'm a Biyoma. Then they see papa side, then they see mama side. If papa side cool, mama side not they cool. I will say, I want set Grace up. The boys were in my area with my brothers and my mama grandchildren when they go school. Now university, now that they go. Not be saying now primary school. I will just call they say, so people they come. Me, or are you go police, go write down. Or are you go bring guys when they our village. I bet make una day our compound. I will tell Grace, say, see where my compound day. When Grace go my papa place, when he do finish for day, I will bring my compound come out. I bring my compound come out. Guys, they my compound. University guys, they my compound. Oh, yellow cool. Grace Okuo go be like Okuo. When my junior brother with Benin people, with some Uromi guys, when they fight for our community. You don't see fights? You don't enter our community? Benin guys, when they with my senior brother, they go university. My senior brother, the one when senior me not be overall. He go at Dokbolo. You know, Benin people where they be friends. They go University of Ekpoma. Okwore, he guys for Benin, they there. He guys for Uromi, they there. For our village, oh, he guys for our village, they still there. Everywhere be pili. DPO for everywhere, police for everywhere. When Grace they talk, I know say if Grace reach there, everywhere go make pili, and I don't want to go slow. Grace call me. That one man call me say that they find my father, my family, and I say una dey craze. Before my girlfriend go show them my children papa house. Now those are cut to say see where he dey. You know my children, he papa mama. He know the house. You see that house when I show one back I put for platform. She know the compound. She know people when they the compound. She no carry grace. She no direct grace go there. She direct grace go my pallet place. And my pallet that day self. You know say my step brother, they know their house. All of them don't see commode. Why they no direct and go the second side when I come later show? Because they don't say fight go too much. People go come out. For that house, 24 hours, guys did that house. The second house, when he did that house, student full on. Then you go collect. They call me before my girlfriend can't go tell this one. They call me. I tell them whether they Chris. Now me want to give you my Egbinyo. You don't need phone up another Egbinyo. You go Egbera. As you read there, you feel yourself finish for Egbera. You come out. Now it be your also. Instead of you now to find how you want to do this thing. Did they say your mama, you get phone number? Your papa, you get phone number? This one get phone number. Why are you saying it? That she apologized to your mom. Somebody that apologized to you, that somebody can still come and hit you. Now make me they say forgiveness is a sin. I know they quit forgive because I don't want you to come hit me when you want to be for. What it be phone number? Grace, get your mama phone number. Me when they saga Grace, that time Grace they call me. Grace call me, call a pie the Murphy. Grace tell a pie the Murphy say, make it come help and saga me. A pie the Murphy say, no be my lovely. He say, hey lovely. Lovely when he stood for me for this social media. He can never betray lovely. Ask Grace. He carry my mata go give a pa. When Grace come for Igwebe, he carry my papa has he send and go give a pa. A pa tell us say may go back to that couple and they may go apologize to that man. You think say pa no feel help and run now? No, all the time you just instead of you to tangle something come on for there, you just they use one something take the shot. Your mama collect the number, your number collect the mama. What you call concern number? Oh, what then now? Rita, you now fight now they come so this one okay. Me I shut up. Me I not gonna go there. Be say now me want to go tell them say now like this. Oh yeah.
Regulate you. If you have conscience, how will you be feeling inside your house after you have done all these things, knowing that you are just blatantly lying? How do
Grace,
you
when they say thief picking.
Yeah. Anyway, let's wait for her. Thank you, my darling people. See you.
It don't finish. My people. May we start where she dey flog Grace.
How are you guys doing? Tell me you more people. Good afternoon. Yes, you know, aggressive. You don't do when they go take they use you on a cyberspace every time. Use you take they do rubbish as big as you are. Respect your husband. Get your husband inside or Jaffa. And get here. Gossip by your head. If you don't gossip finish, you now come social media they do like this. You the craze. Now maybe I come at a biggest fear on a dot like cyberspace. I'm as biggest fear, biggest challenge now and be. Who you are? If they see me both physically and spiritually, they feel me for body. Now because of my man, now they look you. When you say they can leave you alone, you come and be talking rubbish. You don't matter where not concern you. You the craze? Come and be mentioning my name out of your mouth. Who bear my baby? Who are? What when God gives you knowledge? Larry Oholabo. Aggressive. If I'm of fearful that I will you the mad? Who call you for a don't like video saga? Who measure your name? You the craze? Who tell you say they find your friendship they go? Now leave your piper. What are you doing? What do you they offer? Gracie, what do you offer to people? You
even this Okpaka when they mention so you follow the mention Okpaka because all of them are the same. Hello? How you doing, sister caller? I dey wait children everything. I buy you.
This Rita, what the concern Grace? Nothing I don't like about this woman. The time she for just take fight, come out for there, you know, go fight. You go call the talk for social media, talk finish, you go enter house. You know, and if they want me, they beat her well.
Now make me they tell her. Now make me they tell us. Say, you know what it be problem now? It's like we don't say Monica with Brito Paka the quarry.
Yeah.
Then it's gonna be like say she want to the itarot put, you know. We want to the talk about Grace. As Grace come here now, that one go send message for her. You see, huh?
British with Monica and get Saga. If you want Saga there, where is Saga to of them? Talk for side Grace inside.
Yeah, you just not so. You just Saga there if it be so back.
What you come for side? First way don't first you grab pepper, you open your eye, put inside. What you open the Saga for? What you open the total for? Saga, whosoever you want Saga, I'll Saga three of them.
Not be so they tell they do, and I thought just now. You will want to go, you will want to draw this one near body. And these people, they don't want to near body. I'm going near body, I know them. Yeah? You go mention British Okpaka, that day you don't mention British Okpaka, that one tell you say, may you remove a mark for a name. You know? Saka day. Iria when you have to beg, you will be, and not they find somebody. At the end of the day, these people, they can never near her. Now, what if she not be that?
Never. You know, if you don't take herself, what they go do now, you know, go see cry. If that person won't do them, you don't get letter from above. Police from Abuja, go dump down. Go dump them for Sokoto.
Which people? These people don't already get all those things when they talk. So she don't arrange. All those people don't already arrange.
Rita be like person where she don't get happiness. She's not happy. You know, she's not there happy. Any small thing we don't take her serious. We don't need to take serious. Okay, now if the person will get happiness, at this cancer that they have to say my people who could not come or they start analyze that what cause they come out for them. Let me see what could they don't want person near, but the one person come near you. So if Grace now come in life, you go accept Grace.
Okay. Now waiting Jamo Jasper, right? Jamo Jasper say who do they mention in name now? Person where they drag your mama come out, drag your papa. Now you they mention their name to favor you. Abi you want favor them? I'm not sure say she know where she do. I don't know. She don't know this Dosaba space. She don't know where she did.
The pepper they go grab put for your head. Now not be normal pepper. That's a cocoa pepper. And they go grab put for your head. But this cannot be leather. You know, this is my thing. Said we go 4 years now. 4 years. You not fit do anything. You not fit take action. Not fit. So you go let her go face your life.
And the same woman when you do that something that time. Now the same woman video now she carry come and now the same woman see send message for her. Huh? Now that same woman see send message to you for you to know so she still get you for mind. Then you want cancel their own come on for your mind. I beg my sister Rita, you don't know how to fight. Now Bagman is Facebook. You go there arrange your Bagman. Another person go there arrange your mama arrest.
See Felicia, when the people know Richard, what did he do for Felicia? He not do anything now. When Felicia accuse the mother for not debunk anything, the woman said he have to be ashamed of himself. The one they say they come and they come they talk. What they say if they beat Grace. Who if they don't beat you? How many years ago? To wait for inside dustbin. Since they were
whether she feel say all those people that they follow the art movie for her now art movie she they art. Those people they are real. Her she's not real. She not real. For her saga is not real. It's like she just want to open video, come talk. The people when they follow the talk now that they arrange something for you. Huh?
Only when they talk. Nah. The new governor now. Any festival be your cousins, they scatter their family house. Since when the man say, and the man said to say,
he get brother will be cultist, so they go keep person. And only that one I them that I don't for social media.
The people when that they follow and they fight, all those are not get brother for cultists. They still get now. No matter how your house for those states, you must get one bad pikin must day. One bad, or let's say the family get as it be. No matter how no matter how those states you go born pikin rich, if it like make the family be like cold water, they must burn hot water. Not be cold water, they burn hot water.
Where they beat am well, this time I don't get mercy for them. Where they beat
No, make it stay for there. Make it just they talk. You get my mama phone number. You call my mama. You get my who send? Everybody can get anybody phone number.
Yes, now.
Anybody can get anybody phone number. You know whether na police give your mama phone number to Grace? Not that one you for us. I mean, now you give your mama phone number to Grace? Huh?
That woman they say when they say beat am those 3 years ago, I mean 4 years ago. Now the pain still there in body. You know, so when this thing just happen, you just face that way they fast. You just carry that one go. At the end of the day, what if you do? Nothing. If you do the real person where you do, I not do anything. Now the pain I there in body, now they regret so. All those pain.
I tell her that time, say, you know, go take action. Now, Grace, you go lock Grace. No, you leave Grace. Nah. Grace, they get stand every day.
If to say that woman get money that time, that woman for 2 months, nothing Frank. That time, John you come, people they give them, let me can get that small feather. After that,
Franco na small. You know, say Frank never check Irish like this. If he drag that one to, if he do that to Frank now, Frank go follow his family come on for those states. And that way do that thing not the apple. If Rita say he do pay to Frank now, Frank go carry bulldozer go. He go remove everything. Because if you fair hit person, don't let that person come hit you back. Who the one carry again? Nobody there Frank house now. Papa Frank don't die. Like one person say, if I beat you now finish, I go enter house. And I not get my papa, and I not get my mama when I want go carry. Can she do that when she do that and she go do it to Frank now? She not go fit do it to Frank now. Frank no mind. Frank will use 2 million or 3 million take judge the case.
You know, say Frank that time, the Godfather said he just apologize, let things go. Father come to talk to them.
Frank, when they talk for community matter, he go settle on. Now Rita want go meet the second time. Frank, they settle a whole full community. Frank, they settle on.
When this woman just, when he try, when he go heal, when he just face her business. Because she not get joy. You know? You don't get joy.
You know what? I don't read about her. You know what I read about her? If you tell her something, instead of her to even say he walk towards that something, she go like to bring your offer down. At the end of the day, they give her woto.
Yes.
How can somebody offer you something? You will want to bring the offer down. You want to be say, I know this one. You get class. Later they'll come class you.
Yeah.
Now so you do. That I tell her say, you not fit Grace. Then I use one hand to push Grace. No, she wait till she talk. You want to make her come follow and go fight the enemy. See her today now. Just look at it today now.
Yeah, but now they look for Grace. Don't be saying Grace come for them.
Nah, the video when they mess is all these days now. Now everybody want to real enter inside Grace. No, Grace don't give her woto.
You know, if Grace come for them, we put first. Where can I deal?
You know say news police don't enter police.
Where can I deal? Wow. Social media.
You want to use Grace. You want to use Grace. They do nyaga. When soldier march enter John of Vet where they do their papa burial. Now Grace come they beg. There's something called over heavy Grace. Because Grace, they not expect her. You know, so that all of them can just they come, and this all of them carry police. Don't carry police that time. You see that police what all of them carry, and that soldier, now they drive the police. You know, people know computer. All of them, they go to ask all of them say, where police? Where police? Anywhere those police, they even as the police, they carry wine, carry drink, they with a jolly of it, they crush everything, go give police. Go give another police. When soldier enter the matter with police, you see the police want all of them go rent, all of them, they can't go. If you don't move, you go pull your clothes. They waka. When Grace say matter don't be like this, now Grace carry all of it. He carry a raw come off for Bini. Now Grace, now you take they play. That thing when it take place that time. That thing when it take place that time. Grace no say I there among of the people when he cook that crook.
Yeah.
Grace carry all of it, carry and come out. If all of it should forget about Grace, Rita, make I tell you, forget Grace. Now me they tell you. Now me they tell you, play now play. You get where Grace. Sister call away first. You get where Grace. To be honest, you get where Grace for stand for John Lovett. Or John Lovett, no. Get where Grace for stand for John Lovett. When soldier come. Or John Lovett with Grace crash. Or John Lovett say, she not get problem with me. She not get problem with Mama Deborah, that's that prophetess. He say, you know what you see for prophetess hand. Upon her Grace, use of John Lovett run rich. Huh? When John Lovett come, he can't apologize to Deborah, prophetess Deborah. You don't see fights. These people when they find out, if they mention John Lovett name now, if Rita they mention John Lovett name now, if John Lovett get where, he go see chook Rita. Or John Lovett go see chook Rita. He go once past before. I don't know why you are looking for people that fight you before. What did they use and they do? Like me now, me with John Lovett, we don't fight. We don't crash. Even John Lovett say lovely now bad person. Tomorrow now, not going to John Lovett say, come follow me fight. Or if I see somebody they saga John Lovett, or maybe that person they do saga. After they say, go see John Lovett. That's what John Lovett do that time. What are you doing on social media? My sister, if you not say you don't get action, forget about social media. Because we are back, man. You want to talk. These people want to use police, say they harass your parents. Look at the second time when you go to insult the woman when they Canada. That woman not talk to you. Go to insult the woman when they Canada. You get social media, they insult the woman when they Canada. The woman when they Canada, they carry police and soldier enter her house. As they read there now, they say Papa and Mama don't come out. Sister, call her person they call. Make I answer first. I'll call you back. I say now me with you they gossip. Hello? Yeah, why they drop? Now once you take call, you just drop an nana. Call you again. You know, see as a mama that day, when with Anita, they do this thing. No. As a mama, don't go arrange police, arrange everything. It is said now before. When they clap hand. Who be this as a mama? Wait, make I call as a mama. Huh? As a mama say, they go take lawyer. Everybody they protect yourself. Me now, your country say you want to go my village. What do you want to go do for my village? Police go arrest you for there now. As a mama.
Yeah, I greet you the first time.
I greet you, mama. How you there now?
I decided what woman they give your friend what to do.
No, I know they give her water. They tell her this not be you with Anita the quarrel. You not got they arrange lawyer, they arrange police. Everybody they protect yourself. Happy mama. I mean, they tell mama, say, mama can't drown. Now your daughter, mama say, no. I say, okay. I know I did the work. I tell mama, say, okay.
Yes.
People don't carry matter come the same time. You they say, how you take a mama phone number. You call your mama, you apologize to your mama. Somebody that apologize to you can still come and strike you.
That's true. I thought that they say, when this person apologize to you, say this in me now. In one sense, you want to catch you again, you will come free, you call this guard.
Nah,
I don't know if they worry this very garlic. I don't know if they worry her. She did this for I don't know what is the shop part. She said she's a doctor. I don't know if she's a doctor when they do salary. I got to the range. People they take off human lives. You know, they see they lie whether that girl body too much. What's necessity? They would say, see, I house in my backyard. Every time they tell us, say, come sit in like you come fight. So they run, they go. Because of me, she pack move for this city, go village, go stay for the house government give them. Yeah? Go stay for the house government give them. She said she buy us cash. As she not back to dance for this country.
Mama, wait this matter where they grant now. About police when they take arrest before. Now, the matter don't come. Talk for that one. Now, waiting, you know, say you want to take place now. Is it not the same thing where happened 4 years ago?
Yes.
Okay.
I tell you, that girl. I tell you, from I don't know if you want. I don't know if you want to do that girl matter because the matter tire me. Because you know the greatest, the pain is really the pain whether that girl body too much, eh? The pain too big. Somebody said she go therapy. She not go therapy, go worse for her. Or light a line. You go too worse because Nana Grace don't they want them again and say, "Now me go arrest your papa, arrest your mama."
Okay.
Now me park station. Unless they go carry mama again for the second time and cause it disgrace them before I might go come down. So that your cousin donate money give it papa and mama.
That they donate again. They're not they donate like that again.
I don't want she put my hand. No, say no, see she don't go buy use that fridge. Go put for a kitchen. Fridge which never dream see one day. The wait to see people they buy and go buy for Usato.
Mama,
Usato.
Mama, your contribution now fight when you with a fair fight. Now you they contribute to for year. Not be the one where we Now the one where we they do now. Now we ask you, Mama.
I believe me. Must I contribute for the one we do?
Now it does everybody they fight your fight. So now your own fight.
Everybody with the cat up. I believe me. I carry my kabayata. It go because they talk to oh yeah, they talk that me they listen. If that's so, since my contribution don't work, oh yeah, go.
No, because your contribution,
oh yeah, free me.
You know, I'm not free. You put.
Oh yeah,
Mama,
free
you must contribute
oh, yeah,
for this
free
new
me.
saga now of grace. Now that one, you must contribute for that one.
What you want me to talk? I don't talk the one when they carry. I mean, the past they bring the present. It's not be the past. It's not be him called bring this present. So I don't talk about the present. I don't talk about the past before I go they put back for present. I beg go.
She they flog, she they beat Grace for chair. And Grace they beat you for Nigeria for real. You they beat chair.
Grace, if you let Grace enter at this time, she not gonna survive her.
Mama, she not let those people. Mama, you not be that side you for the con.
Which side?
That side.
Which side?
That side where you not dead that time. When you beat, that's a mama arrest your case.
Arrest my case.
Yeah, Mama will say, lovely, rest your case. People when you go they beat their body with this thing, you they carry check come and say you want beat Grace. Are you serious?
Not mind them all. What happened to my internet? My internet don't follow.
No, so they'll come again. Have we waiting they come there? Eh? And the way when these people be, if that they fight, you go to say you want go there, go do it Begberu. Now Begberu now they call these people go lose them. You also come to say, I be say this one with this one they fight. Now that thing now that they do Rita for this social media. Now that they do Rita. Now people they say Rita get paid. If Rita want to do this whole thing, Rita will feel say because those people they fight, he want Leo himself enter. These people they'll come out, they will come give him. They're not the Leo enter. Where wa mi a wa hon wa mu wa mu wa hon wa gbelebu wa oh. It's like you want to lure this one come. You want pet this one come. Before they do that one, those people don't already know where you they go. They don't already know where you they go. Now so you see sha. What did happen for 4 years ago? Oh, what will happen? Huh? As they talk and many people say, lovely, you don't start again. Now so I felt it off for the first one. I tell her, say, my sister, take action. Grace is coming back again. Wait till Rita talk. Rita say, that one, he want make her come help her fight the enemy. I don't already fight my enemy, come out. Rita when I devil fight my enemy self. No live video presenter. Evil fights. Follow me fight. Now only commenters. You see live video presenter when he fight, when he follow me fight. He not there. He not there. Now only this person will come at that time. Now only Monica come and say, lovely, they don't carry this year, they don't go bury Rambo with oil. Now that one say I laugh. Me I don't already see a woto. I see and say that they bury ram with oil. The day where they bury ram with oil, now that day oil come they hungry me. Now me be omio digi. If you want to use sacrifice on me, water go they enter my body. These people when I fight with juju. Grace. Now Grace said they play. Native doctor ask people when they watch me that they can't they fall for my platform. He got one of my sister when they join me. Ella said, hey! Oh, yo, worrying my sister. Because that one now banje too. Or where I may roll, say read they fall. People say, lovely, read they fall for your platform. Now go outside, go see children say, Ray not dey ground for outside. Ray can't they fall for my platform. Juju with juju meat. That they do juju me, I be river. I use river to fight them. Nai, Rita they come, they carry chair. Well, about you, Gracie. You don't know what to be Grace. And my people are like people were there with me that day. When the native doctor, when Grace gathered together. Now, the man call he can't call me. Now, when I wake up for morning, now I see that they mention my name. You know, if you be spiritual person, if that they use your name for shrine, you go they feel am. I got to say, who they mention my name? Who they mention my name? I got they feel am. Now I carry powder. I put for body because this is called they enter my body. Water called they enter my body because my people they support me. I got say, who be this person when they mention my name? They do. They say they don't feel call me. They don't feel call me for spiritual. Now they can't call me by phone. Now I enter live video. Now I say, what do you want? Where about it lovely? But when me with the man, they fight. Ray start to the fall for my live video. People experience them now. Ray come they fall for my live video. People say, lovely, we know they hear you again. Ray they fall. Now go outside. I say, see outside. Ray not they fall for outside. Now me with the devil. Now two of us they fight. You carry this thing, they flog. Rita they flog chair. You never know Grace. Now me go tell you who Grace be. Grace. Etukwe Esquire. Grace not be you. Grace not be here at all. Now try they tell you. Those spiritual or not Grace. They say Grace, make Grace repent. Grace tell you say he be Christian. Grace not be Christian. Grace, Christian. Grace when they say thief picking, can't reach today, they don't see picking. But listen yo. Ida makike vare. We'll check where.
How are you guys doing?
Rita they beat and check.
Good afternoon. If I tell you to be beat, I come back and I'll be the first people when they come to wash. What devs are war? If you reach to come stand like woman, the way I'm be the way Dr. Rita take the stand all of them go the fear. Oh, how do I get better? Why not lie and you bend that bed while I go? Oh yeah, come let you come side me come and analyze me and you. Make a mama your back and front. Need wearing a bed way. Make I beat you, come tell you what. Wait till you the head. What different? What was Me don't insult you now because you started this shit.
Yeah, you not see now me with Grace get problem that time. Godwin. Is it Godwin? Now me with Grace get problem. Grace do. Grace say no fees. Grace come to say if they go my parents' house because Grace no say she dey collect money. I can't be barrier. You know, I can't be barrier. When Grace they even they do my own, Grace they tell me. You know, Grace come they tell me say like this. When they reach Ishan, they call me say make I bring my family house for them. Not also no way. Now my girlfriend go give them my papa side. My mama side there now. Why I not go there? They don't go. As Grace come back, they tell Grace say make Grace go again. That time na Grace with Ojolofe day. They not the Monica side that time. As Grace do and finish, me myself, I get my own people. You get me, you get your own people. Who you will get mama when be say the whole ground. Not be so, as Grace do finish. Now so they say, barrister say, they say, now what it go happen be this. Now so, we take arrange everything. Play. Grace still say lovely they play. Now so the matter take day. You know, Grace go land herself for police station and they come Facebook all of it with British Okpaka come they say Grace waka go majestically, Grace waka come majestically. Because why? They never want Grace to quit that saga. Especially British Okpaka. She don't want make Grace quit that saga. You know? Then British Okpaka want to say Grace not want my problem again. Even Grace leave the matter, leave am for John Lovett. But when John Lovett with Grace can't quarrel. Everything when they talk say it don't happen. Now John Lovett can they say everything happen. Grace go police station. He sleep police station today break. This brother when Osas when they America. That one say when Lovely arrest Grace they shout. Now here I will play and whether I still get them for here. You know? Now make me the tell this woman say. Now make me the tell this woman say, and now before don't forget Grace. So if you say now Grace, not mention Grace put for your saga. Just forget Grace. If you did Bishop back herself, forget them. All of them they be the same. They are all the same. To be honest, they be the same. As they drag Grace, so you they drag Bishop back. You think say Bishop back go follow you happy as they drag Grace? They don't follow you happy. He not go ever follow you happy as they drag Grace. You know? That is, and so it take the be. This one now, you dey knock chair. If you get, I don't see Sister Caller just now. Now he say, wait to carry Grace, come this again. I want to talk. Wait. Now the video of John Love that time, I check whether I don't delete and whether I still get them. You know what it be these people? You know what it be them? There be one kind people. If as they don't work out, they carry their body, they come. So you yourself, if you know say it go result to your mama back, you better just leave them. Make them do what they want to make them enter house. If not, because if they drag you they drag Grace now. Bishop Baka now, you go diverse. You know, you say that one they talk say Bishop Baka na Modailo. They say na Modailo. They know what that they do for that their group when they day. Now you they flog chair. Now flog now that they talk now. That one Sister Caller say wait till make Grace come back again now. If you ask me who I want to ask, don't wait first. Now that drunk cow be this one. Be like say I know. Now the second phone 9 everything day. If you just see them say that they fight, my sister, you just they run up and down. If you start say you want to say see this one now, when I don't do this one, now lie. Tomorrow they will go out that darkness. They will go settle back. You yourself. I don't need a great dog kungwe. Not be these people when I be they say they want scatter. They don't come back again. See now, Grace when they send message, they go give now. If it is Brisokpeka, they not the quarrel. Grace can mention Brisokpeka name. Monica can mention Grace name. Brisokpeka go mention Grace name. Okay, how you want to do one? How you want to know say that they fight? You know, see, huh? Wait, now, who go bring this thing come for me? Be like, say, no, you not did this for. I got everything for you. This my phone. It took carry load. I bet if I want to fight again, me, this phone, is still carry load. Now, don't say, I me be fucking analyzer. I then analyze everything. That is how it's supposed to be. If they fight, just leave them that they fight. If you say you want to, they carry this one, they say, now so that one, this one, and blah blah blah. All of them are the same. I know what I'm saying. Wait, make I check. Oh, why I not consider this thing? May I show you the video? Oh, the video not there here. Now the second side night day. You know, may I call sister caller. May we listen. You know, say now we they analyze una, you know, consign us. Now so it go job be. Because those people, all of them you say they're not deny now. This one say he participate put. That one say he participate put. And your mama and your papa now, you know feel carry the put for this saga grand again. Sister caller.
Yeah.
I don't call you back again.
I bet barrister no advice am again. When the saga over start, you not see the way Facebook dey. Facebook empty now.
Facebook not empty, oh. Saga there everywhere, oh.
Saga with Monica saga.
The saga said that one not the sweet again because the first use the saga when they do now they don't first saga and pay. And now the same thing they still they talk.
They talk, we don't hear that one pass. So we don't tell new talk.
You know, say if friends don't fight, can't settle back 2 times. The 3rd time people go say, I beg. We don't know whether una go settle back again. Now that one now.
I'm saying if they want to enter house and I say what go do in Yash. The person that in Yash now even be
If that one go do Nyash, you know the time when the Nyash go take less. Where is so bad now the Nyash go less, man.
Because the Yash, sadly, quarrel, that's it. But the Yash don't cause quarrel, be waiting.
Lisa, you don't know the meaning of that Nyash. You want to make her explain now. You know what? You know that Nyash. You know what that Nyash. You know that Nyash take on. Now, may I explain? I know say now here with the gossip. Now, British Okpaka say, Rita me no get Nyash.
I know, but people are saying they give a contract of Nyash. He can't put some video for Nyash saying go soon travel, we won't go do Nyash.
Now, where first? You know, say me at the Zolon, where, no, not get where I did. When I thought say I did fear, say they want to come fight me. You know, say, now, British Okpaka say, Rita no get Nyash. Now, British Okpaka can't show you Nyash. Now, Rita can say, one of British Okpaka Nyash big pass one. And now, then Monica can say, she want go do Nyash. You know, say, Monica can still bring her milk. Come for that Nyash. Not be say Monica the tutu go do Nyash. You know, say, now we they talk and see because we they analyze. You know?
When they say you want to enter house, if the ambassador for Nyash, he goes to travel, say, you don't know when, how long it go take, he go miss the fast, it's not possible. Not say that is nice.
Wait, clear the saga, clear the floor. He say lovely, you they look for person when he want help you beat Grace with style. Clear the saga, clear the floor. I beg, commenter. Be like say you be no new daddy social media. I know they fight Grace again. I know they fight Grace. Where you went? Now, so una not let Rita fight Grace that time. I don't know why. They don't let Rita fight Grace. Clear the saga, clear the floor. Say, and they found why me fight Grace. Whether not Grace. I said they fight Grace again.
You don't say when you don't fight this, you don't fight.
Now what for now? Now so na first do Rita that time. They do na. Una they follow Rita. Una not they feel help Rita for police. Una they help her for only waiting. Una they help Rita for. Make Rita don't sit down for social media. Make sure they shout for them. Later una go here say they don't go arrest the problem. Clear the saga, clear the floor, clear everything. My sister. I know they find who want help me fight Grace. Me with Grace, chatter, don't close. Did you hear? Ask Grace. Grace go say, lovely, we cannot get problem again. Me with Grace, we reach police station. You hear? Me with Grace reach police station. When Grace temper my village, I said when Grace enter the village, Grace must receive her. In spiritual way, I born Grace body. Grace no nah. Even John Lovett talking for a platform. He said the accident when happened to Grace. Grace know why. And I love me give her woto. See the fight when una they let this person they fight. Why did you say that, my sister? I know. No, lovely. Try beat Grace. Because she too do you. He not do anything to my papa. Leave that thing. He don't do anything to my papa. What he do to my papa? He go report me to my papa. As my papa read there now, my papa, he want la lobo. If he read there, Grace say my papa say go help and remove the roofing. So that my papa go give her a chance. Make it enter am. More thing. Una just say clear the table, clear the floor. If you dey follow Rita, I beg, help Rita for this fight where they come so. Not cause they tell say your papa. I claim my own. I arrest Grace for worry. We settle the matter for police station. We settle one. They tell Grace say this matter don't ever. Say if anything happen to that man when you get that house when you carry come. They will arrest you. And during that time, I will say somebody died for our house for dear. Say something happened to my papa. Now Grace, now they go arrest. Because now Grace, now he go there. Not be others one when you they talk. Now they say, Rita come fight. Fight go come. Well, how they help Rita fight. You they say my papa. I don't talk my papa or finish. You know that the social media when Grace come me down. Grace say, Mama lovely, forgive me. Not tell say me carry wahala they go. Forgiveness na sin. Now so now they do. Even Ojolofe when follow and fight that time, Ojolofe still come and say, lovely, deal with Grace. I deal with Grace. Grace where everybody say, I do Grace. When they arrest Grace one carry there as majestically. Now they put Grace for back of counter say 24 hours. Grace go there on Sunday. They call us say Grace they there. Now tomorrow night they go leave Grace. 24 hours. You know if you hold person now 24 hours. If you don't know. Now police call say Grace come. Grace sleep there. Grace say make they leave and Grace they tell Grace say go come back. They tell Grace say they know they leave her. All the old thing when I tell Saka Grace, Toto and all, they bring everything come. Even police people come to say, this your Toto now. Wow. Now Grace come to say, not be my Toto. Not be my Toto. You know where lovely for see this Toto. They say me I go fight Grace. I don't fight Grace enter house. Okay. Now you want to say make I go fight Grace by myself. Okay. What of Rita when they fight Grace now? Rita now when with Grace they fight now. How you want do am now? Me with Grace no get issue again. I don't have issue with Grace. I don't understand. If Grace raise a lamp today for me, I go still raise a lamp for Grace. Now, Rita now they raise a lamp for Grace. Wait till Rita to protect himself. Now, those commentators, why we can make Now to stay inside social media, they support person with comment. But if you reach fight, una know they support me now when they tell Rita now say, be at a large. You see, say now me be Rita enemy. No be waiting if I tell Rita that time. Rita called the talk say, they find person when want help her beat the enemy. I don't already, Grace don't already go police con. Grace don't already sleep for police. Only if you talk something for this social media, they go say na lie. I don't follow anybody drag. But when Grace with Ojon Love come they quarrel, Ojon Love below. Now people come they tell Ojon Love say so. But you not talk say na lie that time. Now Ojon Love say Now so now because why that time should they support Grace? Even this person when they what do you call it? This person went there, social place like that, America, Osas call you now. Osas say, lovely, arrest Grace. Now he borrow Grace 100,000. When Grace get problem, people run leave Grace. Now only that guy, that big guy, Osas for America. Now only Osas, they with Grace. Even people when they tell Grace, say, see 100,000 take chop. See 200,000 take chop. All of them run leave Grace. Now let that Osas. The day when Grace with Ojon Love they quarrel. Osas support Ojon Love saga Grace. Then why do you call it that say you want? Me with Grace, we are not fighting again. If Grace bring our fight come today, I still dey at large. Grace sign for police station say, you no get anything wey want follow me do again. When Grace sign finish for there, Ojon Love begin to the saga me. You see say Grace come out again, come make Ojon Love with Grace come the quarrel. You see say Grace, he mention my name again. Grace they beg, say I beg. I be una wife oh, lovely, I be your wife oh, blah 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 blah. Now police come to say, you know say na Isha na you for marry, why you go they fight? Now so una tell they deceive una self. Now, una they bring this matter come again, clear the table, clear the floor. We want now say, may you no person for Bini, when be soldier, when be police, make una take support Rita. Not be say Rita go come shot finish, go enter house, tomorrow ya arrest right? Oh, yeah, but you won't be the commenter. Your it dey inside house. They say, make I go fight Grace by myself. I don't fight Grace. You see, some Grace they fight today. It's how many years when Grace with Ojon Love they quarrel. Grace no need for social media say, Mama lovely, forgive me. Now tell say I don't send you message. I tell her say I don't send you message. Why you tell say me I forgive you? They tell you say I they forgive. Now so now they do. This one I go sit and say they follow Rita. It be Rita fans. I beg if you be Rita fans, clear the table, clear the floor. Go arrange soldier, arrange police. Even where Ojon Love the saga Pastor Deborah. Pastor Deborah from Abuja. Go use soldier. Te stop Ojon Love. I papa beria. Now this is Grace Conde beg. This is Grace. Who krukan? Come on for there. Who krukan? Who krukan? Then call everything they call the open for una. When everything happen, Grace, this Grace when they see, so why me at the talk and me I know Grace. Grace called the beg.